Did you know that the way you eat your carbs can completely change how your body reacts to them? You can eat potatoes, bread, even rice without the sugar crash or belly fat gain if you do it right. Most people blame carbs for weight gain, fatigue, and diabetes, but the real problem isn't carbs themselves. It's how we cook them, combine them, and eat them. In today's video, I'm Dr. Zoe Sui from Humanmachine 3D, and I'll show you how to outsmart sugar spikes using simple food science. We'll look at how your body digests carbs in 3D, and by the end, you'll know how to enjoy your favorite foods, potatoes, bread, and rice, without wrecking your blood sugar or metabolism. Welcome to Humanmachine 3D, your trusted channel for natural medicine, nutrition science, and realistic 3D body visuals that show you exactly how your body works. If you're new here, hit subscribe and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our weekly videos on natural weight management, metabolic health, and energy restoration. Now, let's dive into the real science behind eating carbs the smart way. The science behind sugar spikes. When you eat carbohydrates, whether it's rice, bread, or potatoes, your digestive enzymes break them down into glucose, which enters your bloodstream. The faster that glucose floods your blood, the higher your glycemic spike, and the harder your pancreas must work to release insulin, the hormone that helps store that sugar as energy. But here's the catch. When insulin spikes repeatedly throughout the day, from white bread, pasta, or sweetened drinks, your body starts storing more fat and becomes less sensitive to insulin. That's how fatigue, weight gain, and eventually type 2 diabetes develop. The goal isn't to avoid carbs, it's to control how fast your body absorbs them. And that's exactly what we'll fix today. The hidden science of carb pairing. The trick to eating carbs safely is pairing them with the right foods. Your digestive system processes carbs much slower when you add fiber, protein, or healthy fats to your meal. Think of it like adding traffic lights on a busy road. The glucose enters your bloodstream slowly, steadily, and safely. Here's how to do it. Always combine carbs with fiber. Add vegetables or leafy greens to rice or potatoes. Fiber forms a gel-like barrier in your intestines, slowing glucose absorption. Add protein or fat. Pair bread with eggs, avocado, or Greek yogurt. Protein and fat trigger hormones that keep you full and stabilize blood sugar. Eat in the right order. Studies show that if you eat vegetables first, then protein and carbs last, your blood sugar can drop by up to 40%. So next time you eat, start with your salad or greens first. How to eat potatoes without sugar spikes. Potatoes are high in starch, which means they can raise blood sugar quickly. But how you cook and cool them changes everything. When you boil or bake potatoes and then let them cool down for at least 8 to 12 hours, a large portion of their starch turns into something called resistant starch. Resistant starch doesn't digest in your small intestine. It acts like fiber, feeding your gut bacteria and reducing sugar spikes. The best way to eat potatoes: boil them. Let them cool overnight in the fridge. Reheat before eating. This makes them even lower on the glycemic index. Always eat them with a source of protein or healthy fat like salmon, eggs, or olive oil to further slow digestion. You can enjoy mashed potatoes or roasted wedges if you let them chill first. How to eat bread without spiking blood sugar. Most commercial bread, especially white bread, is digested extremely fast. It's basically sugar in disguise. With a few smart swaps, you can make it work for you. Choose sourdough or sprouted bread. Sourdough's natural fermentation lowers its glycemic index and produces beneficial acids that slow glucose absorption. Sprouted grains contain more fiber, minerals, and protein, making them easier on your blood sugar. Pair it smartly. Spread avocado or nut butter on top. Both provide healthy fats that stabilize your glucose curve. Toast it. Toasting bread slightly reduces its glycemic impact because the starch structure changes when heated. Timing matters. Eat bread after a meal, not as a standalone snack. When you eat it with protein or fat, your body handles it more efficiently. How to eat rice without sugar spikes. Rice is a staple food for millions, but it's often blamed for high blood sugar. The solution lies in how you cook, cool, and combine it. When you cook rice and then cool it overnight, the same resistant starch effect forms as with potatoes. This process reduces its glycemic index by up to 50%. Smart rice hacks. Cook your rice with a teaspoon of coconut oil. It binds to the starch and prevents it from fully converting to glucose. Chill overnight and reheat before eating. Combine with vegetables, lentils, or eggs for a balanced meal. Whenever possible, skip polished white rice and choose brown, wild, or basmati rice, which naturally contain more fiber and minerals. The power of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can help control sugar spikes. Taking just 1 tablespoon in water before a carb-heavy meal has been shown to reduce post-meal blood sugar by up to 30%. The acetic acid in vinegar slows down stomach emptying, so your body absorbs glucose more gradually. Always dilute it, never take vinegar straight. Mix 1 tablespoon in a full glass of water and drink 10 to 15 minutes before eating. If vinegar isn't your thing, lemon juice or fermented foods like kimchi or sauerkraut can have similar effects. The ideal Carb Smart Plate. Here's what a Carb Smart Plate looks like. Half your plate. Vegetables and greens 1/4. Protein, fish, eggs, beans, or tofu 1/4. Cooled, reheated carbs, potatoes, rice, or sourdough bread. Drizzle with healthy fats like olive oil, add a splash of lemon juice, and eat your veggies first. This simple structure supports blood sugar balance, gut health, and steady energy all day long. Common mistakes that spike sugar. Even when eating healthy carbs, there are a few mistakes to avoid. Drinking fruit juice instead of eating whole fruit. Juice removes fiber, which keeps sugar levels stable. Eating carbs on an empty stomach. Always pair them with fiber, protein, or fat. Skipping breakfast entirely. Going too long without food spikes stress hormones, causing even bigger sugar rushes when you finally eat. Oversnacking on healthy bars or smoothies. Even natural bars often contain hidden sugars. Keep your meals balanced and you won't crave constant snacks. Dr. Zoe Sui's Carb Control Protocol. Here's my doctor-approved carb control routine that works for patients worldwide. Start your meal with vegetables. A handful of salad or steamed greens before carbs can reduce glucose spikes by up to 40%. Add protein to every meal. Eggs, yogurt, lentils, or fish work perfectly. Use vinegar or lemon before carbs. Dilute in water and drink 10 to 15 minutes before eating. Move after eating. A light 10-minute walk after meals helps your muscles use glucose efficiently, lowering sugar spikes naturally. Hydrate daily. Water supports kidney filtration and prevents dehydration, which worsens insulin resistance. Follow this plan for 2 weeks, and you'll notice fewer energy crashes, better digestion, and clearer focus. Carbs aren't the enemy. Unbalanced eating is. When you eat smart, cook smart, and pair smart, you can enjoy every bite without fear. I'm Dr. Zoe Sui, and this is Humanmachine 3D, where we combine 3D science and natural medicine to help you build a stronger, smarter body. If you found this helpful, like this video, comment your favorite carb, rice, bread, or potatoes, and subscribe for weekly natural health insights. Check the link below for my Smart Carb and Blood Sugar Balance ebook on Amazon KDP. Stay strong, stay balanced, and remember, you can enjoy your food and protect your health when you do it right.